Hi everybody and welcome to Jonathon... No, that's... Hi everybody, Jonathon Marc Mendes, Painted Love, and today's tutorial is painted decorative... Sorry about my language, sorry God. Sorry, that was good, wasn't it?
Yeah, stop at that point.
Some of you may have seen this piece of furniture on social media. Well, at least one half of this... Oh. Sorry guys.
It's all right, you'll get there.
I also did a measurement, so I knew that I would have 3. I haven't got a third one. Sorry guys. So you wonder... Okay, right, we're now to the point of construction. All of the pilot holes have sunk and we're gonna try and put this together. No, that's... Sorry. I think this is the fabric we're gonna... Oh, sorry. Okay, so now we have the kitchen. Sorry, it's not a kitchen cupboard door, is it? Okay, let's start again. I can't stop laughing now.